top news headlines. Federal Student Organization Kangloi Park FESOC launched signature campaign against the center's moves to make Hindi a compulsory subject up to class 10. And a landslide occurred at National Highway number 37 between Sinamkom and Kotlan village in Senapati district. Hello, this is Point TV giving you the latest English bulletin at 6. I'm LAKSMIBAI. Now the news in detail. Federal Student Organization Kangloi Park FESOC launched signature campaign against the center's moves to make Hindi a compulsory subject up to class 10. Speaking on the matter, Secretary Education and Library of FESOC Namirakpam Rikesh Mangang said, as a continuation of the resolution taken by FESOC last month on the seminar held at Classic Hotel, a signature campaign was launched today at DM College of Science against the center's moves to make Hindi a compulsory subject in all northeastern states. In this campaign, an application signed by not less than 50,000 people would be submitted to Indian Prime Minister and Home Minister. Out of 1,700 languages in India, 40 languages are vanishing. Further, he said, FESOC considered the center's moves is to eliminate Manipuri language and will stand against it.
Ahanbagi oina akoi seminar kya sinjagre ani suboina akoi se signature campaign se tawjabani aduna matung taba fawda akoina thamjari ba khoi pandam se phangdri bawdi makha taba tonga tonga thabok torum kaya ama paika jaraki.
A landslide occurred today morning at Imphal Road National Highway number 37 between Sinamkom and Kotlan village in Senapati district. Due to the landslide, the road has been blocked and has affected transportation. 10-year-old climate and environment activist Priya Kangujan from Manipur has been invited as a special guest of honor to attend the oath-taking ceremony of newly elected president of East Timor and Nobel Peace Prize laureate Dr. Jose Ramos Horta. East Timor is the youngest nation in Asia continent. The oath-taking ceremony will be held on May 20 and it will also mark the 20th anniversary of the independence of East Timor. The oath-taking ceremony will also be attended by President and Prime Minister of 5 different countries and 50 ministerial representatives from various governments of the world. Priya Kangujan is the first young figure of India invited to such a high-level event in the world, and she had left India yesterday to attend the event. 4 rented shops gutted into ashes by fire yesterday at Sora Market in Kangujan district. Goods worth ₹6 lakh got damaged due to fire. The incident occurred last night at around 7:45 p.m. On yesterday's fire broke out 4 shops, including a tire shop run by Muhammad Aribam Yaqub, son of late Muhammad Subali from Sora Market, gutted into ashes. The owner of all shops is identified as Muhammad Bashir Ahmad, aged 48 years. Residents residing at Sora Market and Kangujan Fire Service attempted to control the fire. Now, let's take a short break. Keep watching. Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pony TV English News at 6. A team of Imphal West Commando apprehended 2 drug smugglers from Lilong Leihau Kong Matak Lekai yesterday. They were identified as Mohammed Asmir Hussain aged 42 and Mohammed Asmir Hussain aged 28. Both of them were residents of Lilong Leihau Kong Matak Lekai. It is said 1 yellow-color polythene packet containing brown sugar weighing around 1.32 kg was found and recovered from their possession. In further interrogation, both of them had admitted that they were drug smugglers and the recovered brown sugar was handed over to them by one Mohammed Islaudin of Lilong Turel Ahanbi Khongnang Makong to sell to willing customers. The arrested persons along with the seized items have been handed over to Lilong Police Station for necessary legal action. Meanwhile, in yet another drive against drugs, a team of Imphal West Commando arrested 1 drug smuggler from Lilong Leihau Kong this evening. He was identified as Mohammed Mazid, aged 43, of Lilong Leihau Kong Matak Lekai. 1,584 capsules of Spas Open C+, locally known as SP tablet, 45 bottles of Anrex CP cough syrup containing codeine phosphate IP, 10 mg 100 ml each, and a mobile phone were recovered from his possession. In further interrogation, he disclosed that he acquired the recovered drugs illegally from 1 MV Muhammad Ayub, aged 38 years, of Lilong Low Manga for selling. The arrested person, along with the seized items, have been handed over to Lilong Police Station for further necessary legal action. 3 died due to heavy landslide in Assam. Heavy cyclonic winds caused non-stop downpours in the state that resulted in a landslide. Flood-like situations have emerged in the state and 7 more people are said to be missing so far. Continuous rains have caused massive landslides that have resulted in uprooted trees and other destructions. According to the State Disaster Management Authority, Assam, a search has been conducted to spot the missing people, and a rescue operation is also being done in several parts of the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a program to mark the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, on Tuesday. The PM released a postal stamp and also launched a 5G test bed developed as a multi-institute collaborative project by a total of 8 institutes led by IIT Madras. The 5G technology is going to bring positive changes in the governance of the country, ease of living and ease of doing business, the Prime Minister said. The test bed will enable a supportive ecosystem for Indian industry and startups, which will help them validate their products, prototypes, solutions, and algorithms in 5G and next-generation technologies. In the next 15 years, the 5G telecom network will boost India's economy by $450 billion, the Prime Minister said, adding, by the end of this decade, we should be able to launch 6G services and our task force has started working on it. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. Federal student organization Kanglei Park FESOC launched signature campaign against the center's moves to make Hindi a compulsory subject up to class 10. And a landslide occurred at National Highway number 37 between Sinamkom and Kotland village in Senapati district. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.